Attention, the following video is going to totally kick ass. If you enjoy any of it and or have a large penis, please click the like button below. Enjoy.
Hey man, come meet my girlfriend. We doing push-ups over here. I'm seeing how many she can do. How many pull-ups she can do right now. She's on 742. Her name's LaShonda. Say hi, LaShonda.
Hey, how you doing, Spuddy? She do got pretty mouth.
Wow. Look at them abs. Look at them abs. You know what that tattoo says right below her belly button?
Let me read it. I can't read it. What's it say?
It says, do you pay attention to my belly? That's what it says.
I can see she didn't think that one out.
I don't know why it's there. I don't know why it's there.
Dude, does she ever stop?
No, man, I'm telling you, she right now she's on 847. Oh, she about to go again. Yeah, 848. 849. God damn. And she's wearing glasses. Look at her. Look at her. Look at that form. Look at it.
I'm looking.
Look at that form.
I'm looking all at it.
You're staring at ass. Are you staring at my girlfriend's ass? Are you staring at my girlfriend's ass? I know you ain't staring at my girlfriend's ass.
Now
Beat his
I
ass.
am.
Beat his ass, LaShonda. Beat his ass, LaShonda.
Yeah, beat my ass,
don't
LaShonda.
come over here talking shit to me. We ain't gonna have another fight again, goddammit. I'll bust you in your goddamn mouth.
Oh,
you
shit.
wanna say something to me?
Oh.
You say something to me? Oh, damn, girl. You ain't got to have the violence. Calm down. Your once Smitty's gonna happen
Dude, you can't let her
again.
beat
She
your
about to
ass.
fucking kill me, man. She about to kill me, man.
Oh.
Fuck. I ain't gotta try to hit woman. Goddamn.
Sharkeisha.
Them goddamn
Get him,
things you do.
Sharkeisha.
Kick him, Sharkeisha.
Get him, Sharkeisha.
Get him!
Oh.
He down for the count, get knocked the fuck out! She didn't even put down a goddamn gloves for that one. Oh,
That dude
you
that
wrong
Deluxe
for
just
that.
knocked out.
You wrong for that. Shut up, bitch. Go next.
Run away from me, Sharkeisha. Speedy, looks like you missed shaving the back of your legs. I don't know.
Did I really
Guys, y'all
forget to
think
shave the
that's-
back of my legs again?
Yeah, well,
Yeah,
those are
looks
just
cool.
tattoos.
Oh, those are my
I think.
tattoos,
Oh,
D20.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that makes sense now.
But,
You would
I
shave
don't know
all
if
of
you
your
got the
legs.
memo. I'm
Hey,
actually
guys.
wearing these.
Hey,
Oh,
hey, hey,
okay.
oh,
Yeah.
hey,
What?
I'm talking.
Okay.
Hey.
Hey,
You're drinking.
I'm about to tell you this amazing joke.
Okay.
I just hope it doesn't go over your head.
What the fuck was he
Keep
talking
going.
about?
What's he talking
Why don't we
about?
hang out with that guy?
I don't know. Fuck. Okay. Anyway, but yeah, D20. I don't know if you got the memo. I'm actually wearing these boxers today, so maybe you could switch and stop being a dick or something.
Look, I got these out and ironed them just for today. I ironed on my
Dude.
tramp stamp.
How'd you get your hair so, like, luscious and hairy? I don't know.
It is nice hair. It is very nice.
Yeah.
I
You go to the Steelers.
I believe I can. Did you get it?
definitely not over our head.
Did you get it?
I'm dead.
Because I was flying and I went over you guys. Oh
made you
my
look,
god, no freaking way. Dude, I love your videos on YouTube, man. Dude, no freaking way.
Into the light. Have you been drinking?
Amazing. Me?
You're sure?
Have I been drinking? I've been drinking a lot of stuff. A lot of it
Okay.
alcoholic.
Checks out.
Ow!
Oh.
Hey, that was my beer bottle. Ah.
That was my beer bottle. Double
Slit my
kill.
throat.
Yeah, I did.
He was on
cut
Van
you off!
Wilder.
Damn it!
Wow.
I did kill him. I got him.
I have a helicopter. I'm going to get it a jet.
Hold on, guys. I gotta go take the cookies out of the oven that I just made for sidearms and give them one.
Oh God, Shadow's drunk again, guys.
Yeah.
I'm
He's
not.
wearing a hoodie at the beach.
Shadow, don't say anything to the ladies.
Yeah.
They don't need to see you when you're like this, dude.
Listen, Speedy, I don't care how many of you are right here. I'm not drunk.
Holy shit, that
Get out of my way.
chick just did some
Speedy
crazy
number
shit.
4.
You kind of just
Holy
Holy
shit,
shit,
did I
Shadow,
just
you okay?
Drink myself to death?
blacked out,
Holy
man.
crap.
Dude, are you alright? Oh, he just popped up.
Yeah, he's fine now.
So he got a second win.
I did not know that would happen. Shit, now I'm in front of the hospital. I gave myself alcohol poisoning.
Oh, that's not Shadow.
Ambulance.
That's not Shadow.
Good to know.
Where's our friend?
That's not the real Shadow.
Oh my god, there's an
So
imposter.
Shadow drunk
Kill
himself
him.
to death, and this is a new one. Okay, now it all makes sense. Oh shit!
Ooh, take a little off the
Oh shit,
top.
Boss, be careful, man. You gonna crash.
I'm the shit, man.
Don't crash that shit.
Dylan,
for
drop
real,
the
man.
top.
I may or may not have fucked up my engine.
You can't
I
steer anymore?
can't get back even. No.
Oh my god, Deluxe, don't die! Don't die!
No!
shit, that
I'm
thing
going
goes-
down, and it's not
Dude, you're
good.
flipping all
It's
different
not good. I know, I cannot control this
Can you see
motherfucker.
all shit?
I'm going down, down, and then earlier round.
Holy shit, what the fuck? What the? I was nowhere near that! That's bullshit!
And she's wearing glasses.